Hi, I'm Chris from Pyrodigital, and in this video I'm gonna give you a short overview of the manual fire mode. In manual fire mode, you can either shoot totally free or scripted events. The events can be single shots or semi-automatic sequences called macros. You can also divide your scripts with the so-called caliper groups. In order to access the manual fire operating mode, the safety key must be armed to fire position. If it is safe to proceed per all warnings and safety procedures outlined in the Phase 3 System Network User's Guide, the user may then turn the key to fire position. It is required that the user practices using manual fire operating mode in an inert test environment. Please read the section Practice and Inert Testing in the operating instructions of your FCA field controller for more information on inert testing and practice with test lamps. To enter manual fire mode, press Manual Fire and turn the key to the fire position if it is safe to do so. When entering manual fire mode, you will be directly led to sequential firing. To go to direct firing, press Go to Address. To return to sequential firing, press the Return to Sequential key. From sequential firing, press a caliper group to go to caliper group firing. To return from caliper group firing, press Return to Sequential or the same caliper group. As always, you can find more information and our other videos on our website pyrodigital.com. See you in the next episode. Bye!